Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Thank you for the opportunity of possibly speaking at your upcoming event on leadership. Ever since I was a child, attending 4-H meetings with my older brothers, I watched leadership in action. Later, serving as a state officer for 4-H and FFA, I had a chance to hone those skills. At 21, I purchased my first manufacturing company, which grew to 3 companies in 3 states. Currently, I am chief manager of 2 real estate investment companies. Leadership has always been part of my life. Over the years, my clients have used many titles or themes to address the issue of leadership. Effective leadership, it's not just positional, it's personal. Leadership through high-impact communication. Effective leadership, becoming a leader that people want to follow. Leadership struggles when the vision is blurry and the messages are muddled, when emerging leaders need a little polish, and when no one has received training in mentor leadership strategies. Leaders are expected to possess conceptual, human, technical, and political skills. Leaders need to be sensible and willing to learn. Leaders need to be flexible and fair. Leaders need to be intense and at times somewhat humble. In this interactive presentation, participants will learn the 6 criteria of personal credibility, the top 10 characteristics of effective leaders, and the 3 skills to long-term effectiveness. How to select appropriate situational leadership styles, and how to take charge and grow winners. I would love to have the opportunity to have a deeper conversation with you about this interactive presentation and really customize something that is exactly what you are looking for and exactly what your audience needs. It would be fun to work together on your upcoming event.